How to use. Click on the following link. It will go directly to the registration page. Tap the login icon. Enter your mobile number and then create a password. Once you receive the text message with an activation code, enter it and click on Register Now. Enter the mobile number and your password, then tap Sign In Now. Recharge your wallet as desired. Choose your payment method. Then enter your mobile number. Charge details will be shown on the screen. You can use your Vodafone Cash wallet to pay at our number. How to buy our product. Tap on the product's image. Then buy. Pay the amount you want to invest in purchasing the device. By approving the terms and conditions, we will be authorized to manage and operate the device. How to join LCB as a partner. Enter the applicant's name, email, and mobile number, then select the profile picture. By carefully reading, reviewing, and approving the partnership contract, congratulations! You joined the LCB team.